So this is the second question. The question, so I've already told you that we have to use meaning based approach. Okay, so the question is said roughly twice each century. So each century, around twice, two times, the planet Venus passes between the Earth and the Sun. So remember, there is an idiom. There is an idiom between X and Y. So our idiom is the between the Earth and the Sun. Okay. Okay. Then now understand, there is a comma. There are two comma. So this is always, you have to just neglect it. Okay, you don't need to understand. But if you want to understand from the sentence correction rule, this is called a positive phrase. A positive phrase is that this is this is telling the meaning of this whole sentence. This is telling the meaning of this whole sentence. So roughly twice each century, the planet Venus passes between the Earth and the Sun. This is the occasion known as transit of Venus. Okay, so just ignore this and continue. During this time, okay, during this, when the planet is passing, during which it makes the outline of the planet visible in the stark relief. So what will I find? I immediately find, uh, sh- I I immediately find that during which it so it is a pronoun pronoun and it is the singular pronouns. So it should be go back to, it can go back to Venus, it can go back to Sun, it can go back to Earth, which, so what it can do, during which Venus makes the outline of the planet visible in stark relief, during which Sun makes the outline of the planet, or during which Earth makes the planet. So this is ambiguous. Okay, so I would say this is wrong. So I will go over here. During which the outline of the planet becomes outline. This is the subject, becomes. Yes, I think so. This is good. Okay, so we need so that, don't need so that it again it makes wrong. I don't need it. Search that, during which the outline of the planet becomes. You don't need search that. Okay, search that is an extra thing we are adding. Don't need to add extra to just to make your answer more visible, or to make your answer more approachable. If your answer is concise, in this, you don't need the extra words. Okay, search that the outline of the planet becomes. So do we need search that or during? I think so. During is very much good as compared to search that, because during is telling that phase. What phase? The phase when roughly twice each century the planet pass. Okay, so we want the phase, we want the time. So for that we require during. So we don't require search that. That's why I said that you have to follow the meaning based approach. You don't have to follow the splitwise method, or you I know that you have to understand the rule. Okay, but there is no need to understand, no need to uh, grasp all the rules. You just have to go with meaning approach. Okay, so the answer is B.